Community Climate Action Network, Tāmaki Makaurau, welcomes you to our April Hui Speaker Spotlight.
So Emma's an amazing creative and has so much expertise in music and poetry and lots of other things too, so let's give Emma a big round of applause.
Kia ora koutou, ko Emma I uti toku noa, no Samoa, England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales, Germany, o Kutupana, and no Waitemata, Aho, Westmere. And I'm a musician and I come from an arts base. I studied theatre and I'm a teacher, and I guess I'm here today because I created a charitable trust around trying to get together people who want to make art that moves culture. And I run a bunch of open mic nights. I'm actually on maternity leave right now, so I'm not doing that right now. But yeah, I used to run some open mic nights, even one just around the corner at Portland Public House, and a bunch of friends, we were like, oh man, we want to do something, you know, like we care, we want to make music with a message. And my friend, Dr. Grant, he was like, you know, create something. So, you know, I work in environmental fields, and see if you can create a project that can kind of, you know, activate or just create art in that area. So that's where Songwriters for Climate Action was born. That was in 2021. And so we started off very small, just with our open mic community, just getting people together who wanted to write songs or had a song that kind of connected to that kaupapa. And we did a whole bunch of workshops. We've probably done around 50 or plus now, around songwriting or around just talking about different issues, and then seeing if we could create or support people to write and make an album. And yeah, from there we made our first album, Songwriters for Climate Action Volume 1. Oh, can you turn that around there, Rowdy? And it was just such a cool experience, and through that we met so many different experts in different fields, and it's kind of snowballing into something where we want to connect with people and see if we can get creatives to create stuff that spreads awareness around different issues. You know, like we could, I don't know, we can make a jingle for the Repair Cafe. We've been invited to a lot of protests and climate strikes, so we've been there on the front line, you know, trying to create a buzz and share music that can move people. And there's so many different ways to do that, and music and art is it's so fluid that I think it can reach people in ways that other things can't. You know, like we're all here, we don't need to preach to the choir, but there's so many more people who don't care, and they don't know how all of these different things affect them. So I guess, yeah, our organisation, we want to create opportunities where we're just learning and creating more things. So after our first album, we went and got another group of people. So the first album had 12 artists, and the same with the second one. And yeah, I guess we're kind of slowly snowballing. We're just trying to find people, and we're getting invited to other events. So we might share songs, we might help support by providing a PA or entertainment. And yeah, I think it can just grow. We wanted to create something like Poets for Climate Action. We want to help create, you know, get funding so we can do art for climate action, and maybe we get, hopefully it expands so that we get briefs, and then we can connect people with different people who can be like, oh, you need this, you need a little video to kind of, you know, spread awareness about your project. Well, we can help do that, or we can help find the funding. So I know, you know, most of us don't have a lot of support around that. So I hope that holding Space Aotearoa can, yeah, it can just hold, you know, it can create opportunities for people. And it's just growing like that. And we're now onto our third album, and we're focusing on rangatahi. So this, yeah, we want to get the next generation involved. You know, they're the important people who are going to be holding the mess that we've made basically the last couple hundred years. So we're working on that. We also expanded to look into te ao Māori, because you can't separate that. You know, you can't separate the people from the land and the issues. So we've run a couple of workshops which kind of connect people to their whakapapa and back to the land. We've done a bunch of events here at this wonderful community space. And yeah, so basically Holding Space is all about doing events, art, music, and who knows, I guess it can grow from there. And kind of creating conversations and ideas. So yeah, what have we got here? But yeah, we've got involved in a bunch of different things. Workshops, we helped create a fashion parade, which was really cool. Naturally the albums, and I think it can only really get bigger from there. So we're hoping that people, like at this Hui, we talk and then, we'll think of a creative project to do together. Yeah. I mean, what else more can I say about it? Other than we just want it to continue, and hopefully with more funding, we'll get bigger, I guess, artists involved. And one of our next projects that I want to do is an album fully in Māori. And then maybe we'll focus on different issues. So it might be about the water, or we'll do an album and it's all about rubbish, or like oil, or we might get a bit more bold, and then hopefully we can support some of our brothers and sisters doing some stuff like with Greenpeace, and right now with all the different bills that are getting passed, like we can create something, maybe something funny, maybe something really emotional that can touch people and hopefully create action as well. And that's what we're here for. Yeah, you need the art. It's really the art that kind of connects to people, and people pay attention in that way. And who knows, maybe we'll get a #1 hit through this process, and then who knows, from there it does make a difference. Yeah. I think that's all I have to say about that. We'll share some songs, we'll share some songs after this in a minute. So,
looking forward to that. That's awesome. So something that Emma and Ravi have done for us at the Beautification Trust is they were one of our entertainers at the Wearable Arts Show, which is for rangatahi and tamariki to put on for the community, and it's just been absolutely amazing to be involved with them through that, and to hear their really strong, powerful message as well. So thank you for all that you do to serve our community. It's absolutely amazing. And what questions do we have from the audience? We all want songs. Yeah, okay. Let's move to song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Community Climate Action Network, Tāmaki Makaurau.